Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss about what is an encoder, how many inputs will be there, how many outputs will be there, and what is its truth table, what is its combinational circuits. All these things I will discuss in detail. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First, let me define what is an encoder. It is a combinational circuit consists of 2 power n input lines and n output lines. Okay, if you see that we have taken a 4 cross 2 encoder. So the number of inputs is 4 and you have the outputs are 2. Am I right or wrong? So if you take the 2 outputs, then 2 power 2, 4 input lines will be there. Or if you have n input lines, then log n base 2 output lines are possible. I hope you have understood. If you have 2 power n input lines and you will have n output lines. Is it clear? So, which is an encoder. Now, what is the meaning of this one? Whenever I0 is 1 and all others are 0, you will get an output called 0, 0. Similarly, if I1 is 1, because this input can be either 0 or 1. Let's take that this is 1 and all others are 0. Then 0, 0 will come as an output. Similarly, this is 0 and I1 is 1. Then you will get the output as 0, 1. Similarly, if I2 is 1 and all others are 0, then you will get the output as 1, 0. Are you able to understand? Similarly, if you get I3 as 1 and all others are 0, the output you will get it as 1, 1. I hope you have understood. Let me draw the truth table so that you will understand in a better way. What are the inputs are there? We have 4 inputs, I0, I1, I2, I3, and you have the 2 outputs A0 and A1. Am I right or wrong? Now, let me draw all the inputs. Now, as I discussed earlier, I1 not is 1 and all others are 0, then we will get an output as 0, 0. Similarly, if I1 is 1 and all others are 0, we will get the output as 0, 1. If I2 is 1 and rest of the inputs are 0, you will get the output as 1, 0. If I3 is 1 and rest of the inputs are 0, you will get the output as 1, 1. So I hope you have understood the truth table. Is it clear? Let me write the expressions for the A0 and A1. Now tell me, where are the outputs are 1 is there? These are the 1. So we can represent this as a min term. So A0 can be represented as, okay, I0 complement, I1 complement, I2, then you have the I3 complement. Am I right or wrong? Similarly, you have I0 complement, okay, I1 complement, then I2 complement, and then I3 you have. This is the A0. Are you able to understand? Because I0 is 0, I1 is 0, I2 is 1, and I3 is 0. So we know already how to represent the min term. Now come to the A1. A1 can be written as, wherever the min terms are there, here it is there, here it is there. So take these two terms. This is 0, 1, 0, 0. So which can be represented as I0 complement, I1, I2 complement, and then I3 complement. Or it can be represented as I0 complement, I1 complement, I2 complement, and then I3. Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? Okay, because A1 is 1, 1. This term I have taken, this term I have taken. So I3 will be there and rest of them are zeros. Here I1 is 1 and rest of them are zeros. Some people even represent like this also. Can I erase this one? We can even represent like this. How we can represent is that A naught is equal to I2 there is a 1 and I3 there is a 1. We can represent it as I2 or I3. Is it clear? And A1 is equal to, what is this one? Where it is I1 or I3. So they will simply represent the combinational circuits with the inputs I2, I3 and I1. Let me discuss how to draw the combinational circuits with this one, and you already know how to represent. See, both are correct only. Am I right? Wherever the 1 is there, they are taken that one. Zeros they have neglected. We can represent like this, we can represent like this. If I draw the combinational circuit, you can easily draw. Let me draw the combinational circuit for this one. How the combinational circuit will be looks like? You have 4 inputs, okay? I0, I1, I2 and then I3. You have I0, I1, I2 and I3. So A0 is equal to I2 and I3 OR gate. Okay, am I right or wrong? Similarly, A1 is equal to I1 and then I3 OR gate. Is it clear? You will get the output here as A0, here you will get the output as A1. So this is a combinational circuit for the encoder. Okay, are you able to understand 4 cross 2 encoder? Similarly, you can do the 8 cross 3 encoder also. Like that you can try it and you can practice it. If you face any difficulties or if you does not understand any concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.